Hey guys, it's Mandy here from TK's. Today I'm going to show you how to apply our Fibre Lash Mascara. Save the time, cost and maintenance of going and getting your extensions. As you can see, I've already got one eye done here. So this is the one I've got done. And this is the one I'm going to show you how to apply the product with. So these are our two products here. And we start with the big tube. You always work on one eye at a time. And the big tube is our primer and sealer. Well, that's the easiest way to explain it. So basically, we always want to make sure we get really good coverage and make sure you get right to the tips. With this beautiful formulation, it will literally set after about a minute or so. It also gives you a natural lift. So no more going and getting those perms or lash lifts as they call them. So this is step one, almost done. You can spend a little bit more time on it if you want to, of course. So here we go, step one. Now I'm coming in with the little guy. So the little guy is the fibres. The fibres are hypoallergenic green tea fibres. So when I come in with the fibres, I come in really light. So all we want to do is start at the base, the middle of the lash, and just a few strokes upwards. That's all you need. The beautiful thing with this product is that you can actually build on it. Once you've applied the fibres, immediately come back in with the gel, and the gel obviously will seal off those fibres and lock them in place. And as you can see there, you can already see a great amount of length and volume added. If you want to go in again, as I mentioned, you can build. So come back in again with your fibres, nice and lightly, like so. A couple strokes, that's all you need. A little bit goes a long way. And then we'll seal it off again with the gel. Our kits last for you get at least 100 applications per kit. 3-year expiry date. They don't hold the chemicals like a normal mascara. And washes off easily with warm water. A little bit of makeup remover if you choose to do so. It's sweat-proof, tear-proof, and it's a brilliant product. Try it out, ladies and gentlemen.